The way nature intended. There is no greater example of colour than that of the natural world. A vibrancy when witnessed that can stir our emotions and make us feel alive. Seeing nature represented true to life can be one of the most engaging experiences we can ever hope to experience. For decades, it has been the passion, drive and goal of Kowa optical engineers to always deliver this natural spectacle to the observer in glorious detail through our optics. Improving an iconic optic, meet the new 88mm flagship PROMINAR spotting scope. When crafting the new TSN-88 PROMINAR series, Kowa went back to its roots in optical design. Roots which have made it one of the most popular spotting scope manufacturers in the world. To enhance a basic fundamental feature that PROMINAR users enjoy every time they look through their eyepiece: natural colour. Kowa has always prided itself on manufacturing optics that deliver a pure rendition of the view in front of the lens, allowing you, the observer, to explore and enjoy every detail of the subject. An image free of negative optical distractions, allowing you to immerse yourself into the scene in front of you. So, how exactly do you improve on an optic that has for almost 2 decades been at the forefront of optical innovation? The answer was clear: how the scope interacts with light. Kowa engineers have improved the unique optical coatings applied not only to the lenses but also the prism in the new TSN-88 PROMINAR spotting scope series. The result is a spotting scope that delivers even higher levels of light wavelength transmission than its predecessor, and most important of all, across the entire color spectrum. Available light enters through the objective lens and internal optics, which is then finally transmitted to our eyes via the exit pupil. The more light photons that make it through the lens, the better and more clear we can see the object at high magnification and in greater detail. Lens coatings help to transmit the light photons entering the optic and control how the image is delivered to our eyes. Lens coating chemicals, which are not perfectly balanced with high performance across the entire color spectrum, can produce unnatural colors in the final image seen by your eye. Cool or blue tints, or possible warm or red tints, are often associated with optics that have good transmission values in certain wavelengths of light, but not the full spectrum. PROMINAR optics deliver high light transmission across all wavelengths of light to achieve a natural, comfortable and truly realistic image that is worthy of the subject you are viewing. But new optical coatings are only half the story. The new TSN-88 series features an 88mm pure fluorite crystal objective lens, the true optical powerhouse at the heart of all PROMINAR flagship optics. This unique fluorite crystal convex lens, only found in PROMINAR spotting scopes when combined with a concave lens featuring our newly developed optical coatings, redefines the standards of color brilliance. This special combination not only eliminates chromatic aberration, which is one of the major causes of deterioration of viewing quality, but also increases resolution, contrast and low light performance, even at the highest levels of magnifications. Chromatic aberration occurs due to the dispersion of light and the different wavelengths of light focusing on different positions, resulting in a red or purple fringing around the image. Aligning these light wavelengths into one focal point is critical. The optimum optical material to do the job and minimize chromatic aberration is fluorite crystal. Black, white, and everything else in between. What you thought was a blackbird isn't. Look through a TSN-88 PROMINAR series scope and a whole new spectrum of color and detail will be displayed. Subtle tones and hues are revealed in stunning detail, and at the same time, a whole new appreciation of the nature you are viewing. In addition to the optical enhancements, the new TSN-88 PROMINAR series benefits from some clever upgrades to improve your experience out in the field. A new dual tripod mounting system allows you to connect the scope to a tripod mounting plate using 2 securing screws. This subtle change can be a game changer when spending endless hours out in the reserve. No more having to readjust or tighten your scope to the tripod. Ultimate security, stability and mobility all day long. The spotting scope includes a new detachable aiming sight that can be fixed onto the accessory collar to assist in locating your subject more rapidly. The lens hood also features a newly designed built-in aiming sight as a further visual aid. Protecting your TSN-88 PROMINAR has never been easier. A newly designed 95mm filter thread that is placed on the actual body of the scope can be utilized to connect the Kowa TP95FT filter to protect the 88mm objective lens from dust, dirt, grease and other foreign objects. The repositioning of the filter thread to the main body of the scope eliminates a cavity between the objective lens and filter, further reducing the risk of unwanted materials settling on the objective lens and eliminating lens flare. A smooth twist sunshade helps to eliminate glare from the sun and reduces the exposure of the objective lens to elements such as moisture, grit and sand. The objective lens has further protection with Kowa's unique KR coating, which actively repels dirt, moisture and dust from building up on the surface. The new TSN-88A eyepiece protection cap now features a new twist-up design, giving you full eye relief functionality whilst protecting the lens of your chosen eyepiece from the elements. The TSN-88 PROMINAR adopts the new ergonomic curves and form created for the recent TSN-89 PROMINAR scope series. There is no mistaking this spotting scope is PROMINAR. Classic green with new and improved elegant styling and a comfortable shape designed to give the user the best experience and operation out in the field. TSN-880 was tough. TSN-88 is even tougher. The aluminium barrel formerly used in the TSN-880 series has now been upgraded, meaning the new TSN-88 benefits from a full 100% magnesium alloy body. This sophisticated alloy offers all the strength benefits of metal whilst retaining a lightweight body. The outer body is fully sealed to protect from the elements, 100% waterproof and nitrogen filled. As well as being built to last a lifetime, the TSN-88 PROMINAR is now even lighter and stronger. The new TSN-88 PROMINAR is highly engineered with precision and ease of use at the forefront. The dual focus system is one of the defining features of our flagship spotting scopes, highly engineered to give ultimate control. The TSN-88 PROMINAR is no exception. Operation is flawless and precise. Quick focus allows for fast action to bring your subject into detail in just a few smooth revolutions, whilst fine focus gives pinpoint fingertip control, offering the ultimate in focusing accuracy. Cross-compatibility is a fundamental feature of all Kowa spotting scopes. The TSN-88 PROMINAR accessory collar and bayonet mount is 100% compatible with our Kowa system accessory range, giving you access to interchangeable eyepieces and accessories, creating a truly flexible optical tool that can be used for many applications. The spotting scope body allows connection of our PROMINAR eyepieces, including the 25-60x TE11WZ2 wide zoom and the extreme wide 35x TE80XW. Add the EX16 1.6x extender for increased magnification for long-range applications. Attach the latest smartphones and digital camera bodies with our easy-to-use digiscoping adapters for super telephoto photography. Even insert astronomical eyepieces and push the boundaries of this planet to the next. Still the king of digiscoping. The TSN-88 PROMINAR retains its crown in the world of digiscoping, offering the photo enthusiast ultra-long-range telephoto photography options not possible in conventional photography. The improved coatings further enhance digiscoping performance even at the highest levels of magnification, producing images that were once only achievable with high-end DSLR systems. Kowa has an enviable lineup of dedicated and universal smartphone adapters to allow simple connection of most smartphone models to the TSN-88 PROMINAR. Capture highly magnified, detailed images and videos of the natural world with ease using your smartphone. The simplicity and achievable results makes it clear to see why this method of digiscoping is by far the most widespread and gaining popularity all the time. For the photo purist who want to use a DSLR or compact system camera, our TSN-PA7A and TSN-DA10 digiscoping adapters will meet every demand and connection option desired for full creative control. Over 70 years ago, the first optic left the Kowa factory in Japan. Since that day, Kowa optical engineers have developed and refined the design and manufacturing techniques used to create their precision optical instruments. Unique features, such as the use of pure fluorite crystal lenses, not found in any other sporting optic other than PROMINAR, is only made possible by Kowa optical engineers pushing the boundaries and establishing complex manufacturing process over many years. The new TSN-88 PROMINAR represents an evolution of Kowa's spotting scope technology. Born from one of our most iconic spotting scopes to ever leave our Japanese factory. It takes every feature that made the TSN-880 series so popular around the world and a pioneering optical device for almost 20 years, and subtly refines them for the next generation of outdoor enthusiasts to enjoy and see the true color and detail of nature for decades to come.